Hey, what's up guys? This is your boy SA Tech here, and today is sad news. Let's pay respect first. So my laptop has died. This laptop has eventually died. So basically what happened, I dropped tea. So the tea was like that, then it went like that. It went onto the charging port, it was here, but I took it out. Where the battery connects, where the fan used to be, and the RAM slot and the display cable all just got like wrecked. Literally did. No, it stopped working literally. So I opened it, I thought I let it dry out, but the water did dry out, but the milk left behind and the sugar inside it didn't. It was on there. So it just will not turn on. So I did place an order for a new one, but it did came with the wrong one. So I returned it, wait for my refund. So next week I should get my new laptop and we'll do a full video on about that laptop. But for now, this is your boy SA Tech here. Please pay respect for my laptop and see you on my next video.